Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xampp. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Xampp server in Windows 11. So let's start. Open Google Chrome and search Xampp download. Click first website apachefriends.org. Here you can see we have multiple options of Xampp for different operating systems like Windows, Linux and Mac OS. We are going to download for Windows 11. Click on More Downloads link. Here click on Download Latest Version button. It will start downloading automatically. So our downloading is started. After downloading, open download folder and double click on Xampp server. The installation of Xampp server is started. Click Next button and select drive where you want to install Xampp server. I am going to install Xampp in D drive. Type Xampp in front of selected drive. Click Next button. It will unpack the files and install it. Allow access according to your priority. Click Finish button. Now go to D drive and open Xampp folder. To start Xampp server, scroll down and open Xampp control panel. Start these two services, Apache and Mysql. So finally you can see our Xampp server installed and working fine. Now if you want to create any project, then go to htdocs folder and create your project in any language. I hope this video will help you to install Xampp server in Windows 11. If you like this video, click subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much.